Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Watch 5 Pro to your Samsung phone. First, ensure both devices are charged to at least 50%. Power on your Samsung Watch 5 Pro by pressing and holding the home key. Next, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung phone. You can easily do this through the Quick Settings panel or by navigating to the main settings application. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth connection process. To establish the connection, you will need the Samsung Galaxy wearable application. Open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone and search for this essential app. Once located, proceed with the installation. Remember to grant all necessary permissions when prompted, as these are vital for the app to fully function and manage your watch effectively. This step ensures your phone can communicate properly with your new smartwatch. With the Galaxy wearable app installed, open it on your phone and tap the Start button. The app will then scan for nearby devices. Select your Samsung Watch 5 Pro from the list that appears. A unique passkey will be displayed on both your watch and phone. Confirm that these numbers match, then accept the pairing request on both devices. This action securely links your watch and phone. After successful pairing, the Galaxy wearable app will guide you through the final setup steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, which includes agreeing to terms and conditions. Once finished, you can begin personalizing your watch. Explore options to change watch faces, manage notifications, and configure various app settings. Don't forget to delve into the extensive health and fitness features your Samsung Watch 5 Pro offers for a truly tailored experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.